Hey guys, Piggy's 13, and in today's video we're going to be making a bouquet of $12 roses. I'm making them for my mom because I'm making them specifically for Mother's Day. Today is actually May 1st as I'm filming this, and to make the rose flower you're going to need skewer sticks. I call them skewer sticks, shish kebab sticks. I get these in Walmart in like the barbecue grilling section. These are meant to put meat, you know, you cut chunks of meat and you stick it in here and then you put it in the grill. You eat a meat skewer. Yeah. So I have a bunch of these at home because we tend to eat meat skewers a lot. I put vegetables in between the meat skewers and it's so good to have a grilled tomato, grilled onion, grilled pepper. And okay, item number 2, you're gonna need $12. If you have no budget, that it could be cool for it to be like 2 flowers to be a $1 bill, 2 flowers to be a $5 bill, $2 to be a $10 bill, 2 bills to be a $20 bill, 2 bills to be a $50 bill, and then 2 bills to be a $100 bill, and then you can, like, you know, mix it up, be creative. But I am gonna be getting my mom something else. This is gonna be like the complimentary, like I want to give her like the bouquet of roses and something else. So usually me and my dad get my mom like a big gift and we go half and half. I don't know what I'm gonna give her yet, in all honesty, because my parents work together, so like I don't have time to go out with my dad like by ourselves to like go pick my mom out a gift like in secret. So like we have no idea what we're gonna get her yet. You're gonna need scissors to cut your tape neatly. So guys, I recommend you getting clear tape and not this tape. I don't have clear tape at the time, but I don't know, I want to challenge myself in seeing if I could make the bouquet of roses super cute, super elegant, super cute without being able to see this tape. I feel like this is a good challenge because it's challenging myself to make the bouquet of roses so cute to the point my mom can't see the tape I use. So you're gonna need 2 pieces of tape. I would say that around this size is a good size. I'm just eyeballing it in all honesty. Y'all know that these skewer sticks don't really have a thick diameter, so like you don't really need that much tape. But then you're gonna need to cut this piece in 2. Well, it depends on the thickness of your tape, since this tape is really thick, so like, but for example, if your tape is like around this thickness, then obviously don't cut it. This is a side you hold onto, so don't put your flower petal there because this is the safety side where you don't poke yourself. Meanwhile, this is like the dangerous side. You can poke yourself because like it's pointy. What we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be grabbing our thicker tape or the piece of tape that you're gonna be using as your double-sided tape. So I'm just gonna be rolling it like this to make it into a double-sided tape. I'm just gonna eyeball it around here so that way the dollar is able to cover the pointy part to avoid my mom poking herself. So I'm just gonna be twisting this around. So it's gonna be preferable if you twist it at an angle, you see, so that way you have the most space possible covered in tape, so that way there's more for your dollar to stick down to. I'm gonna be placing my dollar at the root of where like the twisty part starts, like this, to a side, not fully straight, and then we're gonna twist until the tape is fully covered. But you know how flowers start from here, like tight here to the base, but then they open up. So I figured that the way that I could make this work is because if I twist it up, then it's just gonna be tight, you know. I'm gonna ruffle it right here. I'm gonna ruffle it right here. Oh, okay, we're gonna ruffle it. We're gonna twist it back. Keep it tight on the base. Wrap it over, keeping it tight. Then do another ruffle right here, and then it goes back downwards. You see how it goes back downwards? It goes like back up, and then we fully twist it, keeping it tight. This is a real struggle, but it's so worth it. Seeing the faces of our loved ones happy. I'm the type of person where I value homemade gifts. So another ruffle, homemade gifts so much because you're able to see how much this person cares for you, taking the time out of their day, like not even day, like some projects are like multiple days, even weeks. So another ruffle. Okay, so once it's wrapped around, another ruffle. Okay. Awesome. You see. Another ruffle. Awesome. Oh yeah. So now for the tape, what we're gonna be doing is, because you see how both ends connect here, try to tape it down here. See? So that way both pieces of tape, and try to make the tape align, because we're going to be hiding that tape in a couple of clips you're going to see. So here's the first set of tape. Realistically, just one piece of tape won't hold it down firmly because this tape is mainly focusing on keeping the flower petals together. So now this tape is going to go more on the root. Okay. And then we start twisting, then we start twisting. Try to keep it straight, like I said, so that way it makes it easier to hide. And we got it. Oh yeah. It looks like a little duster. So now I'm gonna hide this tape. I'm gonna be using fake rose petals to hide the tape. Here's my rose petal. I'm gonna be using my original tacky glue. I've been using this glue since I was literally in like kindergarten or pre-K after school programs. I don't know why. This was just like the tape they would give us. And guys, when I tell you this tape is really good, I have crafts from like kindergarten and pre-K somewhere, and they're still intact because of this tape. So this tape you can get at the Dollar Tree. When I saw this at the Dollar Tree, I was like, I'm taking this. I'm taking this because this actually works. So this is basically how it's gonna look like without the glue. You know how like flowers come with like this thing around it, like you don't just give someone that doesn't flowers, like the stores provide like a plastic wrapping around it and it looks nice, you know, like here. You know guys, what I'm talking about. I don't know what the name is called, but yeah, the plastic wrapping around the bouquet of flowers. That. Okay. This is a part that I don't like, that little peak right there. So I'm gonna be covering that part right there. Okay, so right there, we're gonna keep it in place, keep it in place, keep it in place. Now we close it. Right there. And then we wait for it to dry a bit, you know, keeping it intact like that. You see guys how it closed nicely here? How it's not like open? That's what we're supposed to do. So we're gonna keep it like this for a while. As a finishing touch, you can use these thingies. I'm gonna be using the purple ones to avoid them opening. You know, this is like the flap of the rose petal closing. To ensure it won't open, I'm gonna be placing a dot of glue, and this glue dries clear, guys. Promise. And then I put the little gem. Voila! Look, it's so beautiful. Look, guys. Next clip.